Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I wanted to go ahead and take you guys along with me for a power hour because I only have about an hour to get my downstairs cleaned up. It's a very busy day today. I have friends coming over tonight for dinner and I'm really excited about that. I also have scheduled myself to film another video for you guys today, so I want to go ahead and get my house cleaned up. That way I don't have to worry about it after I get done filming and I can relax and get some food prepped before our guests get here. So without further ado, let's jump into it. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and come along. So the time is currently at 12:02, and I'm going to start in my kitchen, but I'm going to go ahead and give you an overview of what we're working with today. It's not overly messy, I just need to get it cleaned up before company gets over, and I also need to wash some bottles and get Tennyson's sippy cups ready for her to use.
But I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? Oh, it's time to open your eyes and let go. Oh, oh. You got a lot of exes, but none of them know you better. The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go? Sick and tired of seeing you in pain. Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall. So take a leap of faith. Your fixed ideas clouding up your mind. Won't stop until common sense applies. The sun illuminates ahead. Need you to let go. Side while you tumble, way below the waves. Undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go.
still had some time on the clock, but this is where I'm going to stop filming. I'm going to wash bottles off camera because it's just not that entertaining to watch me do it. So I'm going to use the last 15 minutes or so to finish up bottles, and then I will start recording my next video. And Tennyson has already decided that she wants to take her toys back out of the cabinet, which is a repeating cycle that happens throughout the house. I typically pick up her toys, and my husband does too, a couple times a day, but I actually enjoy seeing all the toys get used and seeing the mess around my house on occasion. If you guys haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and coming along for some more.